Under the rules, there's an objection. The vote will proceed without any explanation.
No, Mr. President.
And after that,
Under the
we will
rules-
allow the gentleman from Taguig to explain his vote.
Mr. President,
So we call for
Mr. President,
a division of the House. So those who are...
Mr. President, Mr. President, when you
Wait,
object, you're
those-
allowed to explain your
Senator-
objection and state
Senator
your
Lacson
objection.
is recognized.
Thank you. Your Honors, pursuant to Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedures on Impeachment Trials, as amended, I move to elect Senator Judge Francis Joseph Guevara Escudero as the presiding officer of this impeachment court.
Objection, Mr. President, and may I allow
We
to...
proceed
Objection,
to...
Mr. President, I'm allowed to object and I'm allowed to
Yes,
explain
you're
my
allowed to
objection.
object. You're allowed to object, but we will proceed
No, Mr.
with
President.
the division
Mr.
of the
President,
House.
point of
So
order.
those who are,
Mr. Point of order,
those
Mr.
who
President.
are in favor of the
Mr.
motion
President,
of Senator
you're allowed to
Lacson,
explain para
please-
ma-convince mo nga
please
yung
raise
iba.
your hand. We will vote by raising of hands. So those who are in favor of the motion of Senator Lacson electing Senator Chis Escudero as the presiding officer, please raise your hand. The clerk of court is directed to count the votes.
No, in our rules sa parliamentary procedure.
How many? How many?
Explain my vote, Mr. President.
Hold on. Allow the chair to make a ruling. Those who are against to the motion of Senator Lacson electing Senator Chis Escudero as the presiding officer, please raise your hand. Ilan? The official count is 12 in favor, 8 against. The majority, those who are in favor, has it.
Mr. President,
The
may I
court
explain?
resolves to elect Senator Chis Escudero as presiding officer of the impeachment court. The duly elected presiding officer shall, under the same oath taken on May 18, 2026, immediately assume and exercise all powers, functions, duties, and prerogatives pertaining to or vested in a person presiding over the impeachment trial under the rules of procedure on impeachment trials, as amended, and shall give full effect to the powers inherent to the courts under Rule 135, Section 5 of the Rules of the Court.
Thank you for your patience and indulgence. Senator
Thank you.
Cayetano is recognized. What is
Thank
your
you,
pleasure, sir?
Presiding Senator Judge. Since we already stated as a court that we will take literally Section 3, subparagraph 6 of Article 11 of the 1987 Constitution, that no person shall be convicted without the concurrence of 2/3 of all members of the Senate, may I ask the members of this court, through the presiding justice, to consider, not today, I have a proposal, but not today, but to consider communication with the Sandigan Bayan for the attendance of Senator Dante Marcoleta and Senator Jinggoy Estrada, considering that the presiding officer may correct me if I'm wrong, but if we get to Section 21, as discussed a while ago by the defense, the prosecution and defense, and we do not know what will happen. Their case may be dismissed. They can be out on bail. So we want them to be able to participate and observe the witnesses as senator judges here. I do know that Senator Jinggoy is under suspension, but there's an argument to be made that the impeachment court is sui generis. In ordinary committee hearings, we do coordinate with courts to ask that persons under their custody be delivered to the Senate or the House of Representatives under certain conditions. So I'd like to formally ask, Mr. President, that this court consider that. I will submit whether you'd rather have a caucus or a in-camera discussion, or if you want us all to submit our legal opinion. I wouldn't also mind the prosecution and defense weighing in, but considering that if they do not attend and they are here, Mr. President, considering that if they do not attend at all and cannot vote, their vote will be equal to a acquittal. And as we said from the start, we want a fair and we want justice, we want a fair impeachment trial. Sinabi ng prosecution na sana tignan yung ebidensya, pakinggan mga witnesses. So kahit gawin to ni Senator Marcoleta at kahit gawin to ni Senator Jinggoy, and of course this is my personal opinion that may politika sa pagpapakulong sa kanila. That's my personal view. Allowing them to attend here might add to the integrity of the proceeding and actually make things easier when the time comes to render a verdict. So may I submit that to the court and to our colleagues for discussion at the proper time, Mr. President.
The chair notes the comments and requests of Senator Judge Cayetano and will consult the senator judges regarding this matter and shall coordinate with his office with respect to his requests pertaining to Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Senator Marcoleta, including whether or not we will enlist the comment on and position of the parties to this case. So ordered. Senator Tulfo? What is the pleasure of Senator Judge Tulfo? Rafi?
Mr. Presiding Officer, as far as I'm concerned, I would allow siguro mag-monitor yung mga si Senator Jinggoy, Senator Marcoleta. They will be allowed na kahit man lang yung sa TV monitor. Para sa akin, I do agree with what Senator Alan Peter Cayetano was suggesting. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
The point of Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo is well taken by the chair. Any other?
Hindi kami naniniwala na hindi nakatali lahat ito sa mga investigasyon sa corruption at sa lahat ng nangyayari sa ating bansa. Common sense, tali-tali lahat to. Ay pwedeng ang abogado or pwedeng yung vice president. So it's just like a election campaign. In previous election campaigns, lahat ng kandidato pumunta. Nung last election campaign, sabi ni President Marcos, mas mabuting hindi siya pupunta. So may strategy yung bawat yan. So kami ang titignan namin, hindi yung strategy, yung ebidensya. So it's really up to both sides. I mean, the complainants, they can be there, pwedeng wala. Diba? Basta nandun yung panel of prosecution.
It should not be taken against the Vice President.
I won't comment on that kasi dapat nga neutral kami. Ang point ko lang, it's not a legal matter, it's a matter of strategy.
Okay, and then saan, ngayon ko nakakulong na si Senator Dante Marcoleta na asamahan dito sa pagpapalong.
Definitely, bibisitahin namin ang una, safety nila. Pangalawa, na dapat maka-attend sila. At hindi kami naniniwala na hindi nakatali lahat ito sa mga investigasyon sa corruption at sa lahat ng nangyayari sa ating bansa. Common sense, tali-tali lahat to. Yung nangyari dito sa Senate ng May 11, May 13, June 3, yung pag-aresto ni Jinggoy Estrada, pag-aresto ni Senator Marcoleta, yung hindi paglabas, yung hindi pag-hearing ng Blue Ribbon Committee, nakatali lahat po yan. Hindi totoong hiwalay-hiwalay na issue yan.
Yan ang gusto niyo bang mangyari? Mag-petition ang impeachment court?
Ang gusto ko sana mangyari ay magkaisa yung impeachment court. Total, sinabi na natin na 16 to convict. So
Magkaisa
pagka
po
hindi
na-
maka-attend yung dalawa, considered ng acquittal yon. So walang mananalo doon.
Opo.
Kasi hindi lang ma-appreciate yung evidence. So pwede kaming sumulat o makipag-coordinate when I say coordinate, hindi ka usap ha, formal na pleading sa Sandigan Bayan, stating our case and asking them to allow the two senators to attend.
To attend, pero kaya lang, si Senator Jinggoy po kasi suspended pa.
Yes, pero suspended ba siya both as a senator and as a senator judge, or suspended lang siya as a senator? And in case na suspended siya as both, meron namang 3 months lang yun eh. Eh yung kaso na to, mahigit 3 months. So, hindi ba siya pwedeng manood at makita? Kasi iba yung personal eh, nakikita mo yung witnesses, at iba yung nakakapagsulat o note sa amin kung anong gusto niyang isa.
Kahit po mag-observe kung suspended pa rin
The
sila.
reality is, this is sui generis. So, wala sa lahat ng libro ng batas ito at paano nga ma-apply yung mga batas sa suspension sa anti-graft. Kasi hindi naman nabasa lahat ng sitwasyon na katulad nito na ang dami na nakulong, marami pa silang gustong ikulong.
Salamat po.
Thank you.